What's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Crypto Catch Up. Today we're going to be going through a little gem from the adult industry called Exolover. It's an Australian project, and the biggest thing about it is it's an idea I have actually come up with over 10 years ago as a kid, but I didn't have the money, I didn't have the business prowess to make it happen. You can ask my dad, ask my girlfriend, whatever you want. It happened for reals. So I'm actually quite, keen on this idea because I actually think it works, because I had it solved in my head many years back. It's a good use of an incentivization model with blockchain technology, so let's go check it out. Oh, Milton mangoes, baby. Woo. Now, we're back. Now, we're going to add a little bit of a background here because, like I said, I came up with this idea, right? Now, I'm not the first and I won't be the last. But there was an idea back in 1980, coined the term, called teledildonics. Now, there's nothing telly about it, but effectively, it's a way to communicate in a simulated or a stimulated manner using a device, whether that be via Bluetooth, the internet, or anything like that. Now, if we have a look at this is actually a figure from a patent that came out in 1998, which goes through, the interface, if this, do this kind of thing. And it kind of set the precedence. Now, that patent was filed for 20 years. That was 98. It's now 2018. So if we have a look here, this is actually a countdown timer until the teledildonics patent actually ends. Because there's been a massive issue in this space around this, because what they call, a patent troll was, there's this company called TZU Technologies. And effectively in 2015, they went on a massive spree suing everybody who had gone to create some form of toy that would interact over the internet. Because I don't know if you know much about the adult industry, but a lot of the cam sites, such as these ones here, actually use and interact with the models using some form of technology like LoveSense here, the Lush. So it allows you to do solo and discrete, whatever, but effectively it allows you to, interact with somebody over the internet in a privatized setting, and some form of token payment is issued. Now, that sounds pretty perfect for a blockchain-based application. So let's look at Exolover, which is doing exactly this, but on a blockchain. So the website's here, exolover.io. It is an Australian product. So like it says, an Australian company developing high-tech adult novelty devices, which allows users to interact remotely and share real intimate sensations in complete privacy. Now, I've gone through every single scenario in the world where, whether it be you and your partner are overseas and you still want to interact with each other in an adult manner, this kind of device allows you to do that effectively with Exolover in a decentralized web application. Also, you have a lot of other marketplaces where it can be utilized, such as if you have a favorite porn star, you then could pay utilizing this token and effectively control this device with whatever, accessibility options that it may have. Now, I'm trying to keep a straight face doing this, but this is a real big industry. Like, this is a massive industry worth millions and billions of dollars because, as we've just recently seen with Verge and it's signing up with Pornhub and a bunch of the other, obviously, adult entertainment websites, it's a big industry. And this is tackling something that can be used not only in a private setting with, your partner, but also over the internet with a range of other individuals for those, less partnered souls out there. So effectively you have a platform, and what they're saying here is they're using a proof of connect. So you have to connect on this platform And the users, once they come together, a smart contract and some form of issuance or a token burn occurs. Now, I haven't really gone into the details behind it because there's a massive range of applications which this can be used for. So like I said, a decentralized web platform, you have a wallet, you know, everything here is standard blockchain kind of jazz. The biggest part of this really, I think for this company, is going to be these different actual devices that they're looking to build on their roadmap. So not only are they offering the web platform, an Android app, an iOS app, a web platform, a DApp, but they're going to build out ExoTouch, Feel, Beat, Thrust, Tater, Wand, Reality, and Virtual, which can be used in a variety of settings, and obviously utilizing the EXO token, so EXO. Other than that, there's a lot more in this white paper, but it doesn't go into a raft of technical details. I think the biggest thing you're going to find is that essentially their mission is quite simple and their vision is quite simple. Does it have a use for blockchain technology? 100%. It can utilize this in a decentralized, anonymous manner because that's what you want to do with these kind of applications. You don't want to buy a device like this Lush here, which is over $100, and then share that data with that one website. You want it to be decentralized and privatized in some way, shape, or form. Privatized in terms of privacy on the chain. So they do have a token distribution event, which I believe is starting very shortly. And as you can see here, you know, you've got the initial token distribution is quite good, 70%, and they actually do explain it in one of their white papers. About how they're going to break it up, how they're going to spend that funds, because like I said here, it's not just a blockchain platform. They're actually needing to, as it says here, design Bluetooth controllers for the particular devices, get certifications for these materials. Essentially, they have to sign up with a company in China to build out these products and to deliver them to the market as they wish, because this device here has been out forever. It's been out for many, many years, and it works, you know, extremely well in the industries in which it's utilized. So, you know, they do have a roadmap here. And if we go down here, Victor, I will actually be meeting and introducing on stage at the Bitcoin and Blockchain Conference in Sydney on Tuesday, May 29th. So I'll be firsthand getting to listen to what he has to say about this project, because like I said, I actually think it's, you know, a great project. It's a massive industry. It's not what you would expect, but somebody's got to cover it. It may as well be me. Other than that, guys, if you want to take a look at the project, come and check it out. Exolover.io. As always, like and subscribe. You may not see the value in this, but I definitely do, as somebody who thought about it many, many years ago. Cheers, guys.